So we know every atom is made up of three particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The number of protons is an important characteristic. We're going to abbreviate that with a capital Z, and we're going to call that the atomic number. One of the reasons that's important is that's how the periodic table is arranged. The periodic table is arranged by increasing atomic number. Every element on the periodic table will have either a one-letter or a two-letter abbreviation. So for example, C, capital C, is the abbreviation for the element carbon. And if you look on the periodic table, carbon has an atomic number of 6. You can see that if you find the box on the periodic table for carbon, the number 6 will be usually directly above, sometimes it'll be below, but there'll be a number 6 that goes with the element carbon. Capital N, lowercase a, that's the symbol abbreviation for sodium, and sodium has a different atomic number. It has 11 protons. So what makes an element carbon versus sodium is determined by how many protons it has. The arrangement of the periodic table breaks down into rows and columns. Columns are called groups. They can also be called a family of elements. And elements in the same column have similar chemical properties. So for example, sodium and lithium are both found in the first column of the periodic table, and they react with similar substances. A row is called a period, and just remember that rows are always the horizontal on the periodic table. So we're going to be doing a lot of classification based on the groups. So the columns are in general more important for us, but you can also talk about the period, which is the horizontal row on the periodic table.